Yo, Wisconsin, Matt country. Those small town rituals, they hit. I see you international tractors, what's up? We're red around here. Holla, 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 holla at my country boys. Hey, I got rid of my dining room table to put mats there. One of my best friends, Nate, yeah, he took the table. It was a table that my mom and dad bought when they got married. Yeah, we had a few Thanksgiving dinners on that table. But there is so much room for 20 more mats in here, possibly. Let me walk over here. I see in front of the television where my friends used to sit. Oh, a few years ago, they'd be like, don't be concerned if Laura's on the mat. She lets us sit there and like watch her on the mat while we talk to her, and I'm like, hey, you guys, you know, you can get up and do something, don't you think? But at that time, I only had one mat. This is my come up, baby. I'm gonna get more mats than one. Woo! Actually, I got one mat, 2 mat, 3 mats. I'm looking at Christian Bale again. Yeah, my haircut's kinda like his. John Preston, Grammatron Cleric, first class. Where you at, boys? Reporting from Furland, 1st District. Harmon. Oh, I'm looking at a fan with a cord. Pull it! My tail. What do you think? I just go around pulling boys' tails like that? I wouldn't dare, would you? He's dead. Lick it! If you're on the album, I love you. Even if you're not, I love you. I love you. I love you. Christian, I love you. Josh. Holla, 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 ha, ha, holla at Dakota and Dakota. Izzy, hi, how's the baby?